In today's lesson, we'll be looking at chords in music. There are two parts to the lesson today. First, we'll be looking at what a chord is, and second, we'll be looking at two different types of chords. So, when you search chords on the internet, when you go and Google it, there may be a few different results that you might get. You might get this search result, or you might get this search result. So what's the difference between these two search results? It is the way you spell it. So on the left, you see chords like C-O-R-D-S, like cables, and on the right, you see chords C-H-O-R-D-S, and those are music chords. So we are going to be looking at music chords for this lesson today. So what is a chord? So chord, simply put, is three or more notes together. There's a very complicated explanation about exactly what chords are, but for now, what we need to know is that chords are three or more notes together. Okay, so that is the first part of the lesson, what is a chord? Then we go on to the types of chords. And again, there are different kinds of chords, but for today's lesson, we are going to focus on two types. The first is the major chord, and the second is the minor chord. So that is what we have covered in today's lesson. What is a chord? Chords are three or more notes together, and the types of chords, there are two types of chords, major chords and minor chords. In the next video, we are going to look more specifically at the major and minor chords and how we can build these chords.